but I'm having the most fun because I've got the mega superstar Salman Khan. Like I said, the man behind the mission, behind the moment. CCL second season, bigger, better, brighter.
Yeah, it looks like that right now. From the last season, I see that our boys have really worked hard. They played really well. After I had a really bad day today, but that happens. It's like one of our best fielders, and today it's all good. It's all good. It's all good.
All of you are so incredibly fit, you know, so one would assume that you're natural athletes, but to get into this cricketing mindset, what do you think you need to do? I believe the Mumbai Heroes had 1.5 months of like intense training for this.
Yeah, we just see everybody's like works every single day, so it's difficult to for them to practice, but they've been trying to get off times on weekends, and they've been trying to they've been trying really hard to give it their best, and as much as time they can remove, they take it really seriously this time, because last time we lost and they actually took it to heart. They thought they felt humiliated, so this time they're trying their best. We'll see what happens. They're playing well right now. Let's see.
So far, their best is good enough. Batsmen seem to have settled. But more than just the Mumbai Heroes, you've got 6 teams now. They're all actors, getting their entire professions, taking time together. How did you get this amazing network of actors together and committed to this cause?
I think it's their love for cricket that's got them to come and join CCL, which is, I guess, if all these boys have really played cricket, for the school and college and stuff like that. And the love for cricket is their first love, actually. Acting is their profession, cricket is their love.
Salman, what about you? Are we going to get to see you play?
I don't know. I've not touched a bat in the last 30-35 years, so don't have any time to practice. I've been working. I'd rather work in the movies than. But let's see next year if I get some time, or if I take it easy next year in front of the camera. Perhaps I would, try and get some time on the nets, and let's see.
We'd be excited about that. And just finally, you started off here, your opener at Sharjah, so an international venue. You've immediately jumped to the next level. 2 teams, more teams coming next year?
Inshallah, inshallah.
We're looking forward to that. Thank you so much for taking out the time to talk to us.
Thank you, appreciate it, thank you.
Back over to you.
Thank you, Mayanti. A lot of ladies in the crowd, in the stand, very jealous of Mayanti. She's going to get a lot of hate mail tonight. Gets to spend 5-7 minutes chatting with Salman Khan, the heartthrob. It's amazing, Sabah, the presence the man has got. And wherever in the world he goes, there is a kind of fan following. Everybody's in awe. Some magic about the guy. But right now, Mumbai Heroes looking good. 67 for 1. They haven't lost wickets. And the scoring rate also just dipping below 9 now. They're keeping it in control. But still matches in the middle, I feel.
Absolutely right. It hangs in balance. Varun has played some very smart cricket. He's trying to up the run rate here. He's got into that kind of a mood where he's willing to take that risk and play some shots, and has got the desired result so far. So it's Sandhu, the captain, Bobby Doyle, all the teammates of Mumbai Heroes sitting there very pensive. Even now, good shot again from Varun Badola. So it's a splendid partnership from Varun and Raja. Raja, although has not contributed much, but at least has given more strike to Varun. 100 required from 67 deliveries, a gettable target at this stage.
It's a shot trademarked by Rahul Dravid. 69 for 1 after 9.